In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable DoorDash Marketplace seller sign up for restaurants. To get started, open the official DoorDash for Merchants website and choose the option to sign up or get started for restaurants. This is the entry point for creating your restaurant's marketplace presence, so make sure you're on the merchant sign up page rather than the customer ordering site. Once you're there, begin entering your restaurant details. You'll typically need to provide the restaurant name, store address, business phone number, email address, and some basic business information. Take your time here because these details help DoorDash identify and configure your store correctly from the beginning. Next, create your DoorDash merchant account. You'll enter your name and email address, create a password, and complete any verification steps if prompted. This account will be used to manage your restaurant going forward, so be sure to store your login details securely. After that, select DoorDash Marketplace as the service you want to use. This is the option that allows your restaurant to appear on DoorDash so customers can discover your business and place orders online. You'll then move into the business and legal information section. Here, DoorDash may ask for your legal business name, tax information, the business owner's name, date of birth, and other verification details. This is a normal part of onboarding and helps confirm that the business is eligible to receive payouts and operate on the platform. From there, set up your restaurant profile by confirming the address, adding your phone number, setting operating hours, and reviewing the store information. Accuracy matters here, especially with hours, since customers rely on this when placing orders. Next, set up your menu. You can add or review menu items, enter prices and descriptions, and upload food photos if available. In some cases, DoorDash may automatically pull existing menu information, photos, or hours to help speed up setup, but it's still a good idea to review everything carefully. You'll also choose how you want to receive orders. Depending on what's available, this could be through a DoorDash tablet, a POS integration, or another supported order method. Then review the pricing or commission plans shown during signup and select the one that best fits your restaurant. Keep in mind that offers can vary. After that, connect your bank account so DoorDash can send payouts. Before submitting, review everything one last time, including your restaurant details, hours, menu, pricing, business information, bank details, and selected plan. Once you submit the marketplace sign up, DoorDash will process your information and complete the store setup. After onboarding is finished, log into the merchant portal to manage your menu, orders, and store settings. If you chose a tablet or POS integration, complete that setup and confirm orders are being received properly. Finally, review your store before going live, make sure your staff is ready, and then activate the store so customers